Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Brookhaven plant realistic. So the first thing you're going to have to do is get a copy of the Brookhaven map, right? Alright, now you have your copy of a Brookhaven map. What you're going to do is on the top of Roblox Studio here, you're going to click where it says geometric. You're going to make it physical. You're going to click the drop down menu and make sure it's selected physical. Then you're going to select the green part of the Brookhaven plant. Then open up your Explorer. To do that, click on View, and then just click on Explorer here. And also make sure you have Material Manager here open. So, to open Material Manager, you have to go to Model. And wait, there should be a button here that says Material Manager. But we'll get to that in a bit. So when you have your Material Manager open, and your Explorer open, and you have clicked on the green part of your Brookhaven plant, you're going to go to see this mesh part. This is something Wolfpack is hiding from you. Click on this arrow on the mesh part. You'll see there are two decals. Delete these two decals. Now you're only left with a mesh part. Now I want you to click on the grass material in the Material Manager and click apply to selected parts, which is this cursor with some lines going around it. Click this. Boom. Now to make the dirt realistic, you just click on this part here. It should select this brown square right here. And what you're gonna do is you'll click on ground. This ground.
What does
no! Sorry about that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the ground material. You're gonna click that, and you're gonna click apply. There. Congratulations, you have successfully made your Brookhaven plant realistic. If you want to do more realism, click on the part like the stem here. You're going to go all the way down and find a wood material, and you're going to make it look like that. And to make the pot realistic, you're going to click on the pot in physical mode, and you are going to click on granite. I'll be using countertop granite because I have this, because I installed a resource pack installed a material resource pack for Roblox Studio. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.